Hello and welcome to this Civica Service Desk information video. This will be a demonstration video of the Civica self-service portal for end users. You can access the self-service portal by using the link provided to your organisation from Civica. Log into the self-service portal by using your domain credentials. The self-service portal is split into three areas. The top section controls your current session. It contains actions for changing your preferences and also the action to securely end your session on the self-service portal. The section to the left contains your navigation menu items for browsing through the different pages available to you in the self-service portal, such as your self-service profile, the service catalogue, and search queries. More items may be available to you based on your role permissions. The centre section of the screen is reserved for displaying the current navigation item you have selected. After successfully logging in to the Civica self-service portal, you will land on the My Home page. The My Home page has two sections. The first section is the Civica Knowledge Management tool. This search tool allows end users to search and browse through knowledge articles, which may help to resolve their incident. To search for knowledge articles, enter one or more keywords relevant to your incident into the How Can We Help You search bar and click the search button. You will then be forwarded a search results list of articles relevant to your search terms. You can then click the title of a knowledge article to view its contents in a new window. Let's take a look at the first result. After reviewing the details of a knowledge article, please use the feedback icons to confirm if this article was useful and provide Civica with that feedback. If an article doesn't help to resolve your incident or isn't relevant to your search terms, please select the No Feedback button. This will prompt you with a new window to suggest that you search for further articles or to log a new incident ticket with the Civica Service Desk. For now, we'll return to the search results page. Let's take a look at the second result. If an article is useful and guides you to resolve your incident, please select the Yes Feedback button. This will ensure that the article is classed as relevant in regards to your search terms and will be placed higher in the search results for future customers with similar issues. When you rate an article not useful by selecting the No Feedback button, the option to log a fault will also be available. Selecting this will open the incident form where you can log your own support ticket with the Civica Service Desk. To submit your ticket, all mandatory fields must be completed. Enter a title for your incident into the summary field. This can be a brief description of the incident. Then provide relevant information regarding your incident into the details field. This can include the cause of your incident, any alert or error messages you are receiving, screenshots, and any workaround you may have attempted. It's important to ensure that any information that you submit into your ticket summary, details, or any attachments do not include any personally identifiable data which will breach GDPR compliance. These are details such as full names, addresses, and personal contact details. Now click the service field and select a service. You may be presented with a list of multiple services. It's important to select the correct service to ensure that your ticket is submitted to the correct support team in the Civica Service Desk. After selecting a service, you will then need to categorize your incident. Select the Category 1 field and choose a category title that's relevant to your incident, followed by a Category 2 option. You may then be required to provide a Category 3 option. If you have an existing reference number regarding this incident from another Service Desk tool, an external supplier, or a historical ticket, please enter it into the customer reference field. Lastly, select the impact and urgency that this incident is having to your organisation in the relevant fields. With all fields now complete, select the Save and Continue button at the top of the page to submit your ticket to Civica. You will now be redirected back to the My Home page. Your ticket will now appear in the My Active Tickets window beneath the Civica Knowledge Management tool. This is the second section of the My Home page. This is where you can track the progress and update your active support tickets with further information such as attachments and customer notes. Click one of your active tickets to open it in a new window. When you open an existing ticket, you will see that you now have actions on the left side of your window, such as add attachment, add customer note, and cancel. In the event that your knowledge search returns no article results, you can still log a fault within the self-service portal. The helpful message below the search bar contains a link to log an incident. The My Profile menu item allows you to review your current Civica Service Desk details. For example, your current contact details and a list of the customer groups you are a member of. The My Ticket History table provides an overview of all of your previously raised support tickets and service requests, including those in a closed or completed state. The Feedback menu item allows you to submit feedback tickets to the Civica Service Desk, such as compliments, suggestions for improvements, and complaints. Click the icon of the feedback type you require to open the feedback logging form. If you want to submit a request for service, select the Service Catalogue in the navigation menu. Within the Service Catalogue, you can submit a request from a list of predefined services which match your requirements. Similar to the incident form process, you will need to fill out any mandatory fields first and select the Save and Continue button to submit your request to Civica. The Search menu item allows you to search through your raised support tickets and service requests. Mouse over the Search menu item to open the query selection list. Then select the query you require. To locate a specific ticket, enter your search criteria into the filters provided above. As an example, if we enter the reference number and then select Enter, the page will refresh and any tickets which are within the search criteria will be displayed below. You can then select the tickets in the search results to view its details. This concludes the Civica Service Desk self-service portal demonstration. Thank you for watching.